To create a Bitget account on mobile, open the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search Bitget and download the official app. Once the app is installed, tap the Bitget icon to open it. On the welcome screen, tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account. If you haven't an account yet, you can click Sign Up, and if you have an account already, you can click Login. Here, you will put your email address and password. You can use your mobile number also. Always have a 8 to 32 characters and at least one uppercase letter, at least one number, and at least one symbol. Once you created your email and password, you can click the Create Account button. And then check your email address for the verification code. You can choose if you want to enable your fingerprint unlock or not. And here you go, you already have a Bitget account. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.